There's something sitting in your kitchen right now, something so common, so ordinary, you probably don't think twice about it. Yet, it's designed with one goal in mind, to keep you hooked. It's not just food, it's a carefully crafted product made to hijack your brain's reward system in ways you'd never expect. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's science. And it's happening every time you reach for that bag of chips, that sugary cereal, or even that can of soda. Behind the scenes, food scientists are working with billion-dollar companies to create a perfect storm of salt, sugar, and fat, a trifecta so irresistible that it lights up your brain the same way addictive drugs do. Think about it, when you eat something that's been engineered for maximum crave, you're not just satisfying hunger. You're experiencing a rush. That crunch, that melt-in-your-mouth texture, that perfect balance of sweetness, it's all calculated, down to the last detail, to trigger dopamine release in your brain. The same chemical that floods your system during a hit of cocaine or nicotine. These foods aren't just snacks. They're meticulously designed traps. Take the classic potato chip, for example. Ever wondered why it's impossible to stop at one? It's not willpower, it's by design. That crispy texture? That's engineered to send a specific auditory signal to your brain that screams fresh and satisfying. The salt. It hits your taste buds in just the right way to keep you reaching for more. And the fat. It coats your tongue, creating a sensation so pleasurable that your brain demands another bite. And then there's sugar, oh sugar. The way it spikes your blood sugar, and then drops it leaves you chasing another hit, over and over. It's a biological feedback loop that turns you into a customer for life. What's truly unsettling is how deeply this is built into our lives. These foods aren't just at the supermarket, they're at every gas station, every vending machine, every party. They've become a cultural norm. And that's exactly what these companies want. Because the more normalized these addictive foods are, the less you question them. The worst part. These foods don't just mess with your cravings. They mess with your body. Over time, the constant flood of salt, sugar, and fat reprograms your brain, numbing you to natural flavors, making fresh, whole food seem bland by comparison. Your taste buds change. Your hunger signals get out of sync. Your body doesn't know how to stop. This isn't a personal failing. It's a system designed to exploit you. The food industry knows exactly what it's doing, and it's profiting off your cravings, your health, and your well-being. So the next time you find yourself reaching for that seemingly harmless snack, remember, it's not an accident. It's not just a treat. It's a product, engineered to keep you hooked. And breaking free from it. That's the real act of rebellion.